a quarter of the world's population is currently exposed to what's called extreme water stress every year. But what exactly is water stress? Well, imagine this bucket is a country's renewable water supply. How much of that it needs to use to meet demand is what's known as water stress. If it uses more than 80% of that, leaving just 20% or less, that's called extreme water stress. The higher the water stress, the more vulnerable a country is to water shortages. So where is being worst hit? Well, look at this world map. Red is high, dark red is extreme, pale yellow is low. And the regions that are worst hit overall, well, you can see North Africa over there, the dark red showing extremely high water stress. The Middle East region just next to it, again, dark red. Those areas are particularly bad. Interestingly, some parts of Europe are included. Belgium and Greece are in the world's top 25 worst affected countries. So why does it matter, or should it matter, to all of us? Well, it can affect agriculture, food production and energy.
When one country is impacted by water stress, when one country is in the midst of a drought and unable to produce the supplies that we normally use, that does impact populations around the world. I'd also argue that, growing water stress in locations can lead to increasing tensions, could lead to conflict, and that we also see how that trickles down and impacts us beyond our borders.
So what will our planet look like in the future? Well, the predictions are grave. According to the World Resources Institute, half of the world's population experience extremely high water stress at least 1 month of the year at the moment. By 2050, that's in less than 30 years, an extra 1 billion people are expected to as well. You can see that France has moved to medium water stress. Australia is predicted to have high water stress, and Spain could reach extreme levels. And so the pressure is on politically to come up with global solutions to this potential impending water crisis.